everyone, welcome back to Faith and Flour. This is Robin, and in today's video I have some instant homemaking motivation for you. The start of a new year can really get us in the mood to do some decluttering and reorganizing, and I'm definitely in the mood, but I don't always have a lot of time to devote to it. But there are still some high impact, low effort things that we can do around our house, and so I want to encourage you to just tackle one or two of those this week. I've been wanting to refresh the entryway from our garage for quite a while. This whiteboard that we've had is functional but not pretty, and so I was so excited when Erin Condren contacted me and offered to send me one of their wall organization systems. I've been a big fan of Erin Condren paper planners for a long time, and so I'm excited to give this system a try and review it for you. This wall organization center has a very straightforward system for mounting it on the wall, so this could definitely be done by one person. But when Kyle volunteered to help me, of course I wasn't going to turn down spending a little time with him. I'm looking forward to brightening up this space with something that is going to be pleasant aesthetically to look at, but also very functional for our family. This is the entranceway from our garage, so this is the most high traffic area in our home. This is where we are always coming and going from, so it's the perfect place to have all of the information that we need about our week ahead. We can put our schedule up here, and Erin Condren has a lot of different formats for you to choose from and customize to make it work for your family's specific needs. It includes all of the hardware that you need to mount it, and as I said, it's very easy to do. And I love that it functions as a whiteboard so that you can write and erase with wet-dry markers, and the board is magnetic. I had a lot of fun customizing ours to work for our family. I chose the custom weekly schedule format with a black frame. I was able to customize the wording and the colors, and I chose some fun accessories like the mail organization set and customizable event and icon magnet stickers. I think I'm really going to enjoy this. It's so much prettier than the whiteboard we had here before, and it functions so much better so that when we are leaving the house, we can quickly check our schedule, we can grab our keys, and any outgoing mail. It was really fun to customize the magnetic stickers to suit our family, and it makes it a great way for us to put things on the calendar that reoccur regularly, and I can write in everything else with a wet erase marker and just wipe it clean the next week. On to tidying up the rest of this area. This is definitely a dumping ground for us. Those were some grocery bags that needed to be returned to the car for the next grocery trip. We have hats and gloves and various things that accumulate on the bench, and I'm just checking to see if there's anything here that could go in another spot. Sometimes we put clothes that are out of season, shoes that are out of season, anything like that I'm looking for. And then while I have everything off the shelf, I can do a quick vacuum. We always take our shoes off here at the door, which is a great way to keep a lot of dirt and debris from the outside from getting tracked all over the inside, and I can really see the evidence of that as I'm cleaning off the shelves. Our laundry room is just off this entryway, so I grabbed a laundry basket to put in any out-of-season shoes or slippers or anything that we're not using on a regular basis, and then I can transport those things back to our closets. Now is also a good time to go ahead and vacuum the baseboards and the floor. I really feel like this is a high impact, low effort little refresh of our entryway. It looks so much better, but it also functions better, and it's going to make such a difference in the way that we're able to come and go efficiently here. The other little project that I had in mind to get checked off my list this week was to go through my files and get things reorganized. I also want to change it visually as well as functionally, so I got some new file folders from Erin Condren as well. And these are just beautiful. This sort of foil mid-century circle motif is really pretty, so I know it's going to look pretty, but I think it's also going to ease the functionality of this area as well, because I'm going to go through and label each folder, but also I'm going to go through those files individually and pull out any outdated items, things that we don't need to hold on to anymore, and put them in our shred folder. So that way I will be able to go through the files much easier. It won't be so tightly packed, and I won't have to navigate my way through items that aren't even necessary. I don't know why, but this is the sort of thing that I really procrastinate on. It does take a few extra minutes out of your day to go through papers like this, but when you let them pile up and the folders become overpacked and everything is tight, it just makes it so much harder when you want to file things. So doing this really refreshes this area, and like I said, it improves the functionality, because every time I have a new piece of paper that needs filing, it's so much easier to do. This whole pile is just paperwork that we don't need anymore, things that are over a year old and I know I'm not going to need to access. I also have a few things in a folder that I can move to a more long-term permanent storage area because I don't need to access it daily. And then all of the old file folders can be discarded as well, because now I have crisp new ones that will freshen up this area and keep everything functioning better. I hope that this instant homemaking video inspired you or motivated you to take on a small area in your home where you could make a major impact for minimal effort. And if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. If you're new here, I want to invite you to subscribe. We'd love to have you join our Faith and Flour community. It's absolutely free and easy. All you have to do is click on my picture. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I look forward to hearing from you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful week.